Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the else if ladder. In that we are going to see syntax, flowchart, explanation and example. So let's start it. So now we are going to see the syntax of else if ladder. So as you can see on the screen that we have a syntax, that is, I will read for syntax. If the condition 1, the statement in that, then it start to the else ladder, that is else if the condition 2 in that statement 2, again else if condition 3 in that statement 3, and lastly else, that is default block, and here is the end of else if ladder. So what is that? So I will explain it. If the condition first is true, our statement in that would be executed, else it will pass on the condition 2. Same to the condition 2, if it is true, then the statement in that would be executed, else it will pass on to the next condition. Same like we can take multiple conditions. So in the flowchart, we can see that there is a start point. Okay, below the start point we have our first condition, that is if this condition. Now the condition in the if part, if it is true, then the statement below the if part would be executed. If the condition is false, then it will pass further to the else if ladder. So we have second condition. If the second condition is also true, then the statement would execute. If this statement is false, then it again executes to the third. Same like we can do of third condition, and we can take multiple conditions here. So now we are starting with the if else ladder example. So we are taking example of just making simple calculator. So let's start it. We are taking our data type, that is float1. We are declaring 3 variables. I will further explain why to take 3. Clear screen. Clear the screen. I am first printing our menu. You will understand it further why I am doing like this. Here we are taking first option, that is addition, then new line, second option subtraction, again new line, then third option multiplication, then again new line, fourth option division. So we have completed with this. Again last new line. Here we have to print that enter your choice. Then in the scanf we are taking that percent of f, as our data type is float type, and here address of C, we have used one variable, and here we are again printing that enter two numbers for above operation, whichever we will choose. Now here we are going to start our ladder. The first condition would be, that is C equal to 1, then simply just print that percent f is addition, and here we are going to write that A plus B. Here else if C equal to 2, Then in the printf we are going to do subtraction. We are taking percent f as our float, data type is float. Now here we are doing percent f is subtraction. Okay, now by doing comma, here we are going to minus a minus b. Okay, again, else if c equal to 3, printf, taking again percent f is multiplication. Okay, here we are going to write a into b, lastly the default block else printf, or else if c equal to 4, here percent f is division, and here we can divide that is a divided by b, lastly get ch to hold the screen. Now error. Okay, so enter your choice. So you can see that first we have written the printf, and in that we have written the whole menu, so it is displayed here. So we can see that first addition, second subtraction, third multiplication, and fourth division. Then we have written the printf, and in which we have written enter your choice. So we can enter our choice from 1 2 3 4. I am entering first 1. Okay, then enter two number for above operation. Okay, by mistakenly I have written percent f only. Okay, above operation. Oh, sorry, I have not written scanf. So we have to take percent f two times, and address of a and address of b, comma. Okay, so we will see. So we are again entering out just 1, enter two number for the above operation. So I am taking 1 2. As we have entered choice 1 choice is addition, so our addition is 3. So we'll see next. I am entering choice 2, then entering two numbers 5 and 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, that is our subtraction. Then we will see the multiplication, 5 6 30. Okay, so lastly we will see the division. Okay, there was a mistake that we haven't written the default block, so I have added here that else and printf the other one. Okay, now we will see 4, then 6.6 divided by 2.2, so our output is 3. Okay, is that division? So I hope everybody understand this. We are going to see one more example. In this example we have to just check that the number lies between 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, or more than 30. So let's start it. So we are going to use our data type, that is int1, and we are going to take only one variable, that is x. Clear screen to just clear previous data. In the printf we are going to write check the number lies between, check the number lies between. Okay, in the scanf we are going to take our input %d, and here n% of x. Okay, now we are going to apply our if else ladder. So I am putting first condition, if x is greater than or equal to 1, here we are taking AND operator, and L x is less than equal to 10, so we can just print that number lies between 1 to 10. Okay, then else if, in this we can write x is greater than equal to 11 and operator, then x is less than equal to 20, so we have to print that number lies between 10 to 20. Then again else if, here we have to write x is greater than equal to 21, again and operator, x is less than equal to 30. Then in the printf we have to write number lies between 20 to 30, and the default block we have to just write that printf number is more than 30. Lastly we have to write get ch2 $3, no error. Okay, so I am entering one number lies between 1 to 10. 23, number lies between 20 to 30. 12, number lies between 10 to 20. And lastly 56, number is more than 30. So hope everybody understand this example.